So now this is what the Canva outlay looks like, and this is me recording from my laptop. If you're a first time user, you might have a different interface, but yeah, regularly when you start creating designs, your designs are stored inside the Canva app. So let me just run you through what it, and you can always sign in on web. Now this is the interface. Now Canva has a search bar here where you can easily search for things you want, or you just go down here under the search bar and click on any of the items you want to work with. Depends on what you like. Canva allows you to customize designs. If you look to my top right hand side where my cursor is, I can customize a design. Like if you're creating a carousel post and you need to create a larger outlay, you can put the measurements in the customize here. If you're having them to put it, you can put the width and the height, and then it generates a plain sheet for you where you can start creating your design. Yeah, then you can upload content right inside the Canva app and edit them. Now if you come down here, you have a for you. These are the things that is regular with your search and with your designs. You come to doc. If you click on doc, Canva has like Microsoft Word where you can start creating if you have a report to create, you want to have like a brain dump where you can write all your thoughts on. You can use the documents, or you can create a document for your team members and share it with them from the Canva app with the doc provision here. And then you have the whiteboards. I've really not used the whiteboard so much, but a lot of professionals are using the whiteboard for presentations and etc. And then you have presentations like your PowerPoint, like what you have on Microsoft. The PowerPoint, you can create presentations with Canva. I've used it a couple of times to create designs, and it's been amazing. And then you have for social media posts. Then you have video options, and then you have print product. Yes, if you design on Canva, you design a tote bag, you create a design for a mug, you create a book. Like I just created a journal, and you can send it for printing. Canva will print it and send it back to you. Now if you want to create a website, if you don't know how to go about it, you can click on the website. It has a walkthrough drag and drop feature where you can create an easy website. You can check from all the templates inside the website and you start creating. Then more. Now these are all the things you enjoy when you use Canva. You see, MyGap, Maxdane, Zoom, Calendar, etc. Now for instance, if I want to create like a social media post, I click on social media, and then it gives me the option of Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. So what do you want to create? So if you scroll up, Instagram posts, the square version of Instagram, you have Facebook, you have Instagram story, you have WhatsApp status. If you care so much about creating designs for your WhatsApp, fantastic, you can do it here. Then you have Facebook cover. Oh my god, I'm going to be creating a video showing you how to do Facebook cover and other cover, because I'm changing the outlook of my profile on almost all my social media platform. I'm going to do it with you guys. Now you have Instagram reel. I continuously edit some of my Instagram reels on the Canva app. Then TikTok video. Yes, I've been using this for a long time and I love it. Now you have YouTube thumbnail. This is why I create all my YouTube thumbnails for my YouTube videos, and it's beautiful. It's just easy, drag and drop, and then add what you want to add, remove what you want to remove, and you're fine. The YouTube intro. You don't have an intro, you want to start a YouTube channel, click on this button. It gives you ideas, and then you can create it to suit what you want. And then you have animated social media posts, you have social media, and then there's so much going on here. You have YouTube banner, YouTube banner, the one you put on your YouTube channel to say what you're about. And then Twitter post, if you care so much about designs on your Twitter, fantastic. Then Pinterest pin. Oh, I love to create Pinterest pin here. And then LinkedIn background photo, like create your cover for LinkedIn right inside here. Now look at all the posts, Facebook, all the things you can do on Facebook, all the things you can create on Instagram, reels, ad, Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook cover, Facebook video, Facebook story, everything Facebook has to offer. You create it here. Facebook animated, Facebook cover, Facebook shops logo, Facebook shops, etc. LinkedIn video ad, LinkedIn single image ad, LinkedIn post, LinkedIn background photo. Then you have and other things. Then you have WhatsApp app, WhatsApp status, all the things you can do in your WhatsApp. Create with this. Like I said, drag and drop, easy to use. Then Facebook covers. You want to change your Facebook look, jump in here and change it. Don't waste any more time. Just click on one of the free versions of free posts and use them. Okay, so let me show you a design. So assuming I want to create a design, I'll show you the one that is thumbnail just recently. Now if you go to the left hand side, you see the items with a star. It means that this is for people who are on the pro version. So I can use this for free, but however I can use the ones without star here. I could just drag and drop, and then yeah, and I did just like this. Change the pictures, do what I like. If I have a font color, I click on this color, change, put my font color. Like this is my font color. I know my font, my X code. I click on my X code, and then it generates my color. Then I change a color. Yeah, if I want to do that. And then if you go to your extreme left, you have design, similar design as to the one you're using. And these are the colors you can find on the templates. And you have elements. You want to play around the elements. I do that a lot. You could do this. Even on the elements, you have the pro version, which I cannot use. Then you have if you have a brand color, fine. Then you have the text. You have the text. You can do this to write over it. Hello. Let's change the text color just so you can see it. You can't even see it that way. Let's just put this color. Yeah, so this is the text. You have the subheading and you have the little body text. So it depends on what you're creating. Play around with your text, and then you have other text that's been generated that it's suggested by Canva. You could use this and change the. You don't have to start looking for text fonts. You just already have the font created by Canva. You just change the words. I could use glow. You could just change the words instead of this. Like you want to do grow, it's already done, so you just change the words and use them, right? So if I double click, I'm gonna change this and write growth. How did I just spell growth? Hyphen. Now it's looking too big, right? So I'm gonna reduce it by dragging the top right. I don't like dragging. Then if I want to expand it to make it fit into one line, yeah, I drag the side and now it is looking usable, right? So you drag it, drop it, put it wherever you want to put it. You want to make it smaller, you reduce it further and just leave it here hanging. So you can create your thumbnail, play around with the font. Then for uploads, these are things you've uploaded over time. On the Canva app, you could upload from your phone. If you click on upload files, it takes you to your folder, your laptop folder, where you can click on items and upload them. And also another fantastic feature I like to use is this drop down, this 3 burger sign here. I can upload from Facebook, you can upload from Google Drive. I upload from my Google Drive a lot. You can upload from your Instagram, your Dropbox, or your Google Photos. So you see the options that Canva is giving you. This is live saving. You don't always have to download and post stuff. Then it has inbuilt app you can use to create anything. You see those app people create, they use AI apps, Google Photos. You can try any of the app, bulk create. I'm going to try this very soon. And then there are a lot of apps you can walk around with right inside of the Canva. Yeah, you can see. And then we have photos. These are photos that comes with your Canva web or Canva app, and you can use them. Some of them are free and some of them are paid for. Like these ones are free and some of them are equally paid for. Like you know, the ones that are paid for are the ones that have the star feature, like the crown, the golden crown. The golden crown will tell you that a particular photo has to be paid for before you use it. Like this resize feature on Canva is a pro feature. So if you have a Pro account, you can resize any of your creations. Now you have audio, like I did most of my videos inside of Canva, and I just pick one of the free audios and I use the audios on my video if I want to, and these are free. And I always remember to mention the name of the audio in my YouTube videos so I don't get copyright issues. I know they're all free and Canva sorted out the copyright issues, but I still like to do that. And then you have videos. If you want to create videos like a 17-second video like this, you could add different amount of video, but this video is not about creating videos for you. So this is just the interface for using Canva, and a lot of things you can do, yeah, inside of the Canva app. And I'm sure that I saw recently in Canva, yeah. So where are you? Now if you click on show main menu, it brings you here. On the left hand side, if I click on projects, and these are all the projects I'm working on. Now this enables me to create a folder for my creations. Like on the left hand side, I have YouTube videos, so all my YouTube videos I've edited with Canva, I put them here. Then I have my freebies that I've created using Canva, I put them here. Then I have my thumbnails. So I just try to get organized. I get lots of stock photos from Ivory Mix, so I put them here. And then Pinterest designs, I just create folders for my designs so I don't have issues. Now if you click here, now these are the folders I have. So if I'm creating a design, I click on a folder when I'm creating design, pick an item and just recreate it. So if you want to stay consistent with your brand font and design, create a brand kit and keep all your designs there so you can always use them when you need to and you're not getting lost inside of a Canva app. Now there's something else I want to show you. If you click on templates, yeah, you see different popular templates, featured collections that you can use and you can get inspired from there. And then if you click on, where are you, apps, I particularly love this one because if you click on apps, you get a content calendar. Because I'm using the free version, I cannot schedule any post. If you have the pro version, you can schedule posts after creating them right inside of Canva, and Canva immediately publish them to their preferred social media app. But then this other one I love. When I was looking for mock-up designs to use, I had to Google it, and a creator showed I found out that I could do mock-up designs inside of Canva, and some of them are free. Now look at this, you have the smartphone mock-up. You don't have to do so much. Drag your image and put over the phone and create. You have the one for your desktop, you have your laptop, you have tablet, you have watch, you have TV screen, you have e-readers, what have you. You have different types of mock-up. And then you have the other trending mockups that you feel like you want to use. Now these are new, but these are for pro version, right? If you pay for Canva Pro, you can use all these mockups for free. But then if you click on each of them, you will see the ones that are for free. Like this one is free. You can decide to use this one. But there are other ones here that let's click on smartphone, for instance. Click on smartphone. It gives you different mock-up ideas, and these are all paid for, but you can find one or two that is free and you can use. Like this is free, this is free, this is free. You see, so you can enjoy creating so much designs using smart mock-ups. You have a product launch, you have something you want to draw people's attention to, jump in here and create a smart mock-up for yourself. It's just that easy. Canva, like I said, is a lifesaver. You can print designs with Canva. You can print designs with Canva. You can create so many different things with your Canva. And then on this left hand side, you can invite members. Like I have one invited member that I work with, so I share designs with him, and then he sends feedback, my team member, and everything. If you click on here, there's so much you can do within the Canva app. Now you can, on the visual document, use presentations, and then you have PDF. I do lots of PDF designs instead of Canva. My freebies are done inside of Canva, and I use the PDF platform, or sometimes I use the presentation platforms. And then you have photos, you edit your photos, your videos, and then you want to create a business card. If you're a personal brand or a small business owner, you're just starting up, create your business card and have them printed and sent to you. You can create cards, you can create invitations. If you're getting married or having a birthday, having a baby baby shower, doing something, create imitations. You have mugs, t-shirt, hoodies, calendars, labels. Then for marketing, you have logos, posters, you have flyers, brochure, you have social media website, stickers, yard sign, and then another amazing thing, you can generate a QR code right inside of Canva. If you're launching a product and you want QR code, please be my guest. Go in Canva and start creating. I hope I've been able to show you the reasons why you should start using Canva, and of course, how much of a lifesaver Canva is, right? Okay.